So let me be clear right from the get-go, guys. This actually turned out to be more of a rear brake inspection as opposed to a complete replacement, because I didn't require the springs or the shoes to be replaced because they're like brand new. So I don't want to waste anybody's time. If you're interested in seeing a partial brake job, by all means go watch something else without sounding cheeky. But yeah, I just couldn't in good conscience change all the bits and pieces that were like brand new. However, I do endeavor to do things right. I'm only an amateur mechanic, but I try to do what I can, so there might be a few things in here worth watching. I hope. So there's the kit part number. And to me, before you get anything, cross check that you have all the parts. Put a center line, make sure everything's symmetrical. These two springs here are the only ones that appear to be sighted. And if you don't have a symmetrical layout, something's missing. I'm sorry guys, I'm not going to get the opportunity to show you the shoe change and spring kit because everything in here is like brand new. As you can see by the thickness of the shoes there, very close to the original, very little wear. It's really pointless to change these. However, I'm going to change my drums for the simple reason there's a lot of corrosion starting to set in on the side, and I don't want it rubbing on the top here, right? That can get annoying. Yeah, so I just cleaned everything up, lubed the contact points. As you can see, I've cleaned the hub and applied some anti-seize. Again, being in Canada, the drums can easily seize, so just to try and avoid that. So sorry, wee bit anticlimactic. Oh, one kind of important closing note here. You're going to have to cycle the power twice, otherwise you're not going to get the ready on the instrument panel there. Don't panic, don't freak out. Cycle the power button again and all seems well.